Hi, I'm Brian, and today we're going to make a shape of thanks. Now the first step is to do a drawing of something that you're thankful for. I'm going to do a drawing of a jar of peanut butter with a spoon in it because my dad used to eat peanut butter directly out of the jar after a long day. Since I can't be with my dad these days, I'm feeling especially grateful for all the memories I have of him falling asleep with a jar of peanut butter in his lap and the spoon in it in front of the TV. So now that I'm done, I'm going to do a drawing of my original drawing. This next one should be much more simple and it can be abstract. So it doesn't need to look like the thing the first drawing is of anymore. When you see this shape, it'll still remind you of what you're grateful for. Now I have my shape of thanks. I'm going to cut it out. Now that I've cut it out, I'm going to pick my material. Now I'm going to pick from trash because I have a lot of it. It's free, it comes in all kinds of cool shapes, colors, and sizes, so I'm going to pick a material. I need something that I can flatten out and cut from easily. This would probably be hard to flatten out. I'm also not a big fan of the color for this project. This could be perfect. It's like cardboard, a little beige for what I'm thinking, so I'm not going to do that. This one is cool, it has cool patterns, it's printed on cardboard, so it's pretty strong but easy to cut through with scissors. But it has a picture of pizza, and I don't want to cut my shape inspired by a jar of peanut butter out of a photograph of pizza. Okay, and then the perfect material for this project. It's one of those bags you use to keep food cold in. It's cool, it reminds me of space, which is, I used to watch Star Trek with my dad a lot, and it's easy to cut through, it's strong. So I'm going to trace it, and then I am going to cut out my shape. Ta-da! That's my shape of thanks. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so now I'm going to get some wire so I can hang it. You could use string, anything you have around. I think I have some wire somewhere. I chose to hang my shape of thanks in the kitchen because it's a place that I pass by often. And when I do, I see my shape and I'm reminded of what I'm grateful for. The last step of the project is to share what you made. If you choose to, you can make a video where you show off your shape of thanks, you tell people the stories that inspired it, and you can post it to Instagram or YouTube with the hashtag shape of thanks. I'll be putting the videos also on the website shapeofthanks.com, so you can either search the hashtag or go to the website and see what everybody else is making. Alright, thank you so much. I really enjoyed this, and I can't wait to see what you'll make. Bye-bye.